Arjun had always believed that greatness belonged only to the gifted, the smart, the fast, the naturally talented people who seemed to shine effortlessly wherever they went. But he never considered himself one of them. In fact, growing up in a small town, he often felt invisible, like the world was running ahead at a speed he could never match, while he remained stuck in the slow lane. His classmates excelled in studies, sports, and competitions, and even though Arjun tried, he always fell short by a few marks, a few seconds, or a few steps, eventually convincing himself that maybe life simply didn't have much in store for him. But everything changed the day his grandfather told him something that would shape the rest of his life. You don't need to be fast, you just need to be consistent. At first, Arjun didn't understand what that meant. After all, what good was being slow in a world obsessed with speed? But his grandfather explained patiently that speed may win a race, but consistency builds a destiny, and that single line stuck in Arjun's heart like a quiet seed waiting to bloom. When Arjun entered college, he was determined to prove to himself, not to anyone else, that he could become something more if he simply stayed loyal to the process, even if results took time. So he began waking up at 5 a.m. every day, studying for 2 hours before class, and practicing coding for an hour every night, not because he felt smart, but because he believed that showing up mattered more than showing off. While his friends studied only during exams or rushed through assignments at the last minute, Arjun worked slowly, steadily, and silently, and though progress was hardly visible at first, he felt a strange sense of clarity growing inside him, like he was finally building something that would last. He stopped comparing his journey to others. He stopped feeling jealous of fast learners. He stopped worrying about how far behind he seemed, and instead focused on doing the work every day, whether he felt motivated or not. And slowly, like a plant pushing through soil, his efforts began showing results. His grades improved, his coding logic became sharper, and his teachers started noticing his dedication even if he wasn't the top student. During placements, his friends applied to dozens of companies at once, hoping to get lucky quickly, and some even secured jobs earlier than him, which made Arjun feel the old fear again, the fear of being too slow for the world. But instead of panicking, he reminded himself of his grandfather's words and continued improving his portfolio and practicing interview questions daily. While others stopped after getting tired of repeated rejection, Arjun kept going, not fast, but consistent. And then one day, when a major tech company visited the campus for a difficult evaluation round, most students didn't even attempt it, thinking it was too tough. But Arjun, who had been preparing steadily for months, walked into that interview room with quiet confidence. The interviewers were impressed not just by his answers, but by the calmness with which he explained his projects. There was a maturity in him that only comes from consistent effort. And that very evening he received the email that would change his life. He was selected with the highest package of the batch. While everyone celebrated his success as if it came suddenly, only he knew how many silent hours, lonely mornings, frustrating nights, and slow but steady steps were hidden behind that single offer letter.